Hell, son, we got this side of the rafter put up. All the hurricane brackets but one. We were one short. It's nailed, but it just don't have a bracket on it right there. That one. In the morning, we're gonna get up and work on putting the lathing on all of it. Shouldn't take too long. We got 20-foot 2x4s, so that'll cover a lot of ground. That's what we're looking like so far. Get over here and get another view of it. I want to go one day next week and get the fly rafter here. I just don't know if we want to go with a 2x4 or a 2x6. I gotta get the lathing on that side before I can have to make a decision, but I think a 2x4 or a 2x6 would look better, pretty sure. So them is the rafters are 2x8s. We'll do another video in the morning or tomorrow when we get done with the rafters, but or lathing. We got the all the rafters cut the same. We stretched the string and marked them, cut them off, just like we did the back. See you guys next time.
Hey y'all, we've had a little development today in our framing process. Shane got tired of beating his thumbs to death, so we went over at Harbor Freight and got a new nailer and air compressor. Got a Banks 3-in-1 framing nailer and this mcgraw 6-gallon pancake compressor. And so far, it's done all right. We had to take back the first nailer. It quit holding air about 5 shots in, but so far this one's doing pretty good.
Well, this is what we got done today. We got all the rafters up to there. Our next one that goes here is going to be a 2x6, like that one, just to be able to have more area to screw the ridge cap to. But we run out of 2x4s, so we need from that one all the way out to the end, and that one all the way out to the end, which we got one. I was ready to come down and be done for the day, but we got a few 2x6s left. It's not treated. These 2x4s here is treated, so I don't want to put them in the house, use them as lathing. So I think we need two more 2x6s. And probably 3 more 2x4s, which we have right there, but I don't want to take my walkboard apart, so. And then there's one on the bottom of that 2x8. I just don't want to take them off because I'm going to be using them. The nail gun from Harbor Freight worked great. Other than the first one, and I don't think I put enough oil in it for it being new. This bottom one, this first lathing board, I left it sticking out, but I think Jess might have misread her tape measure on that one right there. It's sticking out a little farther. Yeah, I'm gonna blame it on her. This one I did do. That one's about 5 inches longer than it needs to be. Which I probably told her the wrong number too. Starting to come together. Almost ready for the plywood on top and the tin. Hopefully in about 2 weeks. We'll have it all under roof. All covered up. See you guys next time.